It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard.
Alrighty, boys and girls. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, chat. The last trading day of the month of May is finally upon us, boys and girls. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button if you'd be ever so kind. Don't be shy, boys and girls. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Way Mamba? Hindsight King. Good morning, Nika. No Gamble, no Futcha. Big Head Reef. Mike, Benny, Lone Wolf. Desakalamanja, Mr. Kamudi. J-Can. Alvarado, Pine Looms, Dan, what's up, man? Z Trades, Oscar, Kookie, good morning, man. Good to see you. Dominic, good morning. Grim Reaper, what's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Let me turn the background music down. Jeez. A little loud, a little loud. All right, man. Good morning, guys. Welcome in, welcome in. We got 30 seconds here until market opens up. I feel like I should almost hit the opening bell first just because I'm probably going to miss it. But no news today. No news Friday. Like I said, last trading day of the month. So we'll see what the market has in store for today. The only headline that we have to worry about was from 9 hours ago. And that is for Trump's team pushing for a new $250 bill. So, oh, there we go. There's our opening bell, boys, and there is a new all-time high on the NASDAQ. So yesterday, obviously got a bullish expansion and stopped just shy of the actual all-time high on the NASDAQ, and we just took it out now this morning here at the open. But yeah, here's our 4-hour structure. I'll show you guys the daily. Yesterday, we got that bounce off of that daily fair value gap, and then scaling in here, 4-hour. Just a small little retracement into this 4-hour gap, pushed up to the all-time high. Do we see further expansion this morning to new price discovery, or do we see price for the end of the week with no news settle back down, maybe inside this range? Does it maybe want to come back for this 4-hour swing low that it left behind, that I would say is in a relative premium of this impulse up? We will see. Not going to make any bold predictions right this very moment in time, but we'll see how price wants to print today. Definitely probably going to be more on the conservative side today in terms of risk. Obviously, we had a big move yesterday with the only red folder news event of the week, and I wouldn't be too overly ambitious with profit taking, I guess, today. I'm probably going to look for some low-hanging fruit if we get anything, and obviously if conditions are poor, try my very best to not trade them, or at least not overtrade them. But that's the skinny forward today, boys and girls. New all-time highs and pushing, so we'll see. Good morning, though, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Welcome in, welcome in. Let's see here. I'm just taking a quick look. ES also at all-time highs. Only Dow Jones is not at an all-time high right now across the 3 indices, so that is that, man. Today, I feel like people are going to lose money. I know a lot of people will. Yeah, Fridays is hit or miss for I think a lot of people. Fridays can be either amazing or just absolute garbage, but I guess we'll see. And it's the end of the week, so everybody's always trying to either get accounts passed or get payouts secured. Friday's one of them days, boys. So the government is acknowledging that the dollar is getting worthless. Well, you know what else I saw this morning, boys? I saw this morning that, and I don't know I don't know if it was real, but I think it would make sense. So I heard that NVIDIA was actually going to start offering homeowners in the United States like $22,000 a year to put like a mini AI data center behind, like on their property, basically. Did you guys see that? I don't know if that was real or not. Obviously, there's a lot of talk about like data centers, I feel like, recently. But yeah, I saw that NVIDIA was offering $22,000 a year to homeowners in the United States for putting a mini data center basically on your property by your house. Like I said, not sure the the level of truth of that, but I'm just sitting here thinking, I'm like, man, right? If people are kind of struggling to make ends meet, right? I would say in most cases for most people across the nation, I could just see a lot of people being like, man, $22,000 extra a year sounds pretty fucking nice. Yeah, give me that data center. So I'm just sitting there thinking, I'm like, man, it's all part of their plan, boys. Maybe this is all part of the New World Order. They inflated prices so high and they devalued the cost of the dollar so much that it's going to get to a point where they're going to be able to easily bribe people to do what they want just by offering them a little extra bread, boys. I think we finally figured it out. I think we finally figured it out, boys. So, moral of the story is, we're all going to have to get really, really, really rich. So we can't be bought and paid for. Who's in? Hands in, team. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3, team. All right, let's fucking get it, boys. Come on. The 22K is your tax. Yeah, they're just, there you go. Giving you back your well, what's funny is they'll probably tax you on it too. Guess I didn't even think that part through. They're probably going to think that part through, or they're probably going to tax you on that. Fuck. Hit a banger on gold last night. London session. Always give nice plays. We didn't really move a whole lot last night, to be honest. Oh, you said on gold though, right? Yeah, I guess I don't trade gold, so. Yeah, we didn't really move on the indices too much last night. Kind of getting a little rejection here off the all-time high. Currently 5 minutes into the open. So yeah, I guess we'll just watch and see how this plays out. Obviously, if we continue expanding higher, we'll just stay in line with the bullish order flow. But the only target I would have here for bearishness would just be this Asia low, basically, that 4-hour swing low. As a possibility. Asia LAR. And then, yeah, I guess we can mark out London. I guess we can while we're here, huh? We might as well. London low. London LAR. Still a little bit bummed out about yesterday, boys, but that's all right. What a freaking day, though. Goodness. Gosh. Blue balls, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me see here. What do we got in the chat today? 64% of the chat is bullish. All right. You guys still thinking just new highs? Yeah, could be. Could be. I did see a couple other headlines of like U.S. drones being shot down by Iran. I don't know if that was true or not, but saw that. I think last night. Obviously, it was the pump yesterday was fueled by, apparently there's a final deal in place for the Iran and or the war with Iran, pending Trump's approval. So who knows, boys? Maybe this weekend we're gonna get some more blockbuster war news. Then we're gonna get a big gap on Sunday. Never know. You're in the government. What part of the government are you in? ICT kill zone. Florin is all in. Danilito is all in. Why don't you trade gold, Tyler? I don't know. Just never really been a big gold fan. I used to trade gold back in the day, but back then I used to kind of trade everything. So I guess I can't really. I wasn't really much of a specialist. I basically would just trade whatever I thought looked good at the moment. Caught myself over trading quite easily. It doesn't take a genius to be bullish. We'll be right at least 70% of the days. I mean, you're not wrong, Rao. The market is in a perpetual forever uptrend. Which makes zero sense because we supposedly bombed them yesterday before the headline came up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Kevin. That's why I'm like, I don't even know what's true anymore. I'm like, how are we getting peace deal headlines at the same time we're getting like, oh yeah, we just dropped another bomb. Haha. How are both of these headlines happening at the same time? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, you're not getting. Oh, that's my bad. That's my. You're not getting rich. All right, sweet. Yeah, more the merrier, boys. More the merrier. Make yourselves a home. Oh man. Yeah. Otherwise, guys. That's really it, man. That's really it for today. And then we got NFP next week. NFP next week. Next week, we looks like we got a pretty fair amount of news. Obviously, NFP week is usually pretty loaded, but we got Powell actually speaking on Sunday. What's this? Due to deliver an acceptance remarks at the JFK Profile and Courage Award ceremony in Boston. Oh. So we got Powell speaking Sunday night. Yeah, we got PMI Monday, Jolts Jobs Tuesday, ADP Wednesday. Yeah, we got news all next week, so. Rock on, man. Rock on. Oh! Jeez, I look away for 5 seconds and we're just pumping again. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Yeah, everything's moving up, boys and girls. Personally think the ceasefire headline is BS they did with Russia and Ukraine. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, we've kind of been talking about it for a while on here, Kevin, where it's like, I just feel like this is just going to get drawn out and there'll probably be a lot of like false headlines along the way that will make things sound better than they are, and then no deal will actually happen, or it'll fall through, or who knows. But yeah. Death, taxes, and war in the Middle East, boys. That's what you can count on. That's what you can count on in the 21st century here in America. Death, taxes, and war in the Middle East. Cheers. No idea where this wants to go. Looks like it just wants to go up. Where it stops, I don't know. You miss Daddy Paul? Yeah. Paul's a good guy. Need another recession. Not looking forward to all-time high trading. Guys, what are the odds that this just like continuously pumps new all-time highs? Like, it'd be kind of crazy, but for like another year straight. This might be our new normal. Listen, you youngins, you can't be so selfish. You guys got to remember, there's boomers getting ready to retire, all right? We need their house value to be at all-time highs. We need their 401ks to be at all-time highs. We need every single investment account that they've ever had to be at all-time highs, all right? Because the boomers, the thing is, the boomers, you know what I mean? Like, they've earned it. I mean, sure, they all got rich by accident, but don't be so selfish, guys. All-time highs, man. Your parents gotta retire. Check the Discord. I will in a little bit. Look at both ES and NQ weekly charts. Red flags go up. This is a normal. Both look penny stock. Yeah. Can it be TGIF? Maybe. Yeah. I think it's possible. Just kind of given on like just the weekly profile, I guess. I don't want to like say that we need to sell off. I got into a nice little rant about TGIF last week. Yeah, I mean, no news this whole week. We had one red folder news day basically with a headline yesterday. So would I be shocked to see price kind of settle back into a range and not really give us too big of an expansion? I think it would make sense, but doesn't mean we'll get it. How are we supposed to trade this shit without chasing? Well, that's just it. I think you're probably just taking less trades, you know? I mean, either that or you are chasing, and I don't think any of us want to chase price if we can help it, but the answer is probably just taking less trades, man. Taking less trades, waiting for those good opportunities. Just kind of part of it. But either way, boys, regardless of how price wants to play out today, hit the like button. We'll do maybe a couple of giveaways today. So regardless, win, lose, draw, or no trade on the market today, we will do some giveaways to end the week on a positive note, one way or another, boys. So hit the like button. Appreciate you boys and girls showing up all week long. Man, we survived May, boys. We survived May. I guess maybe I shouldn't say that. We still got 1 day left. Anything could happen. We could go on tilt just like that. Tyler, may you please tell me when pre-market starts and ends? When pre-market starts and ends, technically it's 7:30 my time, which would be 8:30 New York, which is when the news embargo lifts. So that is technically the beginning of the New York session. So that's what I consider pre-market. I mean, but technically, I mean, you're going to be in London session all the way from, obviously, London Open all the way through until, what time was that it closes? Like 11? 11 or 12? But yeah, pre-market is really, for me, just 8:30 to 9:30. That's what I view as pre-market, at least. For the indices. Super bullish 4-hour candle, indeed. Indeed, indeed. So wait. Oh man. They did try to seek those levels I posted in Discord going into Wednesday. Then buyer said, nope, suck it, bish. Yeah, dude, we left the new week opening gap, which is probably the most annoying thing about this action this week. I guess it makes sense. There were so many people calling for the new week opening gap that it just is only fitting that we don't go there. Obviously, we went there on ES, but that was it. So, yeah, new week opening gap, totally left open. It's just like, it's just all-time highs, I guess. We leave a lot of things open below price that we'll go back for eventually, but it can be hard to try to time the bottom of a move when you're expecting like another lower level to maybe get traded to. Especially as premium and discount traders, I feel like we get so horny over getting that full trade down to discount. Or is that just me, boys? Maybe that's just me. Oh yeah, let me check the Discord. All right, what's going on in here, boys? What did I miss? What is this? Oh, the Dell thing? Yeah. May 8th, President Trump says go go and buy Dell. They are great. At least he gave like somewhat of a signal. You know what I'm saying? Like at least in this particular case, he did give a signal. Obviously, most insider trading is just kind of done behind the scenes, which obviously he's done a lot of, but not that this isn't insider trading, because it definitely still is. Like obviously he's saying this knowing that a contract is coming in a few weeks, and then here May 27th, the government awards Dell a $9.7 billion contract, and then we see Dell just freaking rip. Yeah, crazy. So, but yeah, I mean, at least he gave like a little signal about it, you know, a couple weeks early. So I didn't buy any Dell stock, but guess I should have. Did anybody in here buy some Dell stock? Out of just pure curiosity, anybody buy some Dell stock? Or are we all just missing out on the signals? Dell stock? I fucking didn't even realize. I didn't even realize that company was still around. The last time I saw a Dell computer was at my grandma's house. Dell computers? What the fuck? He gave the Palantir signal too. I saw that. Yeah. Yeah. It sounds like he had a lot of what are the main positions that he got mostly in? It was Nvidia, Dell, AMD, Palantir, Lilly. Those are kind of the biggest ones I've heard that he's taken. And obviously those companies are just going parabolic. All right, new strategy, boys. Keep your eyes. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled going forward for any tickers that he posts. And I'm just gonna assume that a government contract is on the way. You have a Dell computer? Oh, sorry, Javaz. No offense. They sell Dell at Costco. You know, I don't have a Costco membership. Maybe I should get one. I've heard good things. What do you boys think? What do you boys think? Is Costco worth it? I do have a Costco not too far away from here. You're late, bro. To what? No trade day? Possibly. We'll see. We are coming into the macro here in a minute. Am I kind of like crazy for somewhat hoping that there's like a 10 a.m. reversal back down to like London Asia lows? Am I kind of crazy for thinking that? Like, I kind of want this to be just one Judas swing, and then we just V-shape right back down. I might be crazy for thinking that. Tyler Jacobs, I've been telling you to get a membership for 3 years. Guys, I asked Tyler Jacobs last night how much money would I have to pay him for him to pierce his nipples. And he said $5K. I said, if you do it, I'll send you $5,000. And he's like, no, you won't, bro. No, you won't. I swear to God. Here's everybody in the chat is now my witness. If Tyler Jacobs in the chat posts a picture of himself with pierced nipples in the Discord at any point in the next 30 days, I owe him $5K. Am I moving to Miami? Definitely not. Well, never say never, but probably not. Custom build PC, way better. Yeah, my. Hey. You good? My dog just got the zoomies. I asked him, I said, how much? I said, how much you want? He said, $5K. I would have said something higher. And he said $5K. So I'm like, deal. That's totally worth it. No, the deal is not for everybody in the chat. Absolutely not. Yeah, gotta have the face in the pic. No AI. You'll do it for 4K? If somebody else in here does it, I'll send you $5. Your brother did it for fun while he was drunk? Now, your brother sounds like a guy that ain't afraid of a challenge. And I can respect that. Bring my dog to sit beside me. He doesn't like chilling in here unless he's like ready. Oops. Unless he's like ready to. Unless he's ready for some tender love and care and attention. He likes people watching. He likes sitting out and staring out the window. All right. Now we're stuck. Now we're stuck on piercing different body parts. Holy shit, boys. This thing won't stop going up. $9.52. Nvidia almost up 1%. Apple's not really moved. Microsoft up 3%. Google down 1.5%. What the heck? Lily's down 1%. There's actually more red on here than I kind of thought. Although, holy shit. Oh, I'm covering it. Dell is up 34.5%. Holy shit. At least crypto's back down. Why are these stocks going to all-time highs, but my crypto just keeps dying? It's like I can't even celebrate. Scam. Crypto, you caught a long, you son of a bitch. Crypto surfer, you son of a bitch. Where is it? Where is it? Wait. Is this it? Oh. How did it end? I'm assuming TP. Is this it? Dang. All right, drinks on you tonight. What's my plan now? I'm just waiting, man. I'm just waiting. I don't know if we'll get anything today or not. I guess I'm hanging out, vibing with you guys. Gonna do a giveaway here at some point if you guys hit the like button. But yeah. I would say that literally we were parked right under the all-time high right before the open. We get the open, we pump through the all-time high instantly. And now we're just going up, man. So I'm just chilling. Waiting for something. Nancy and Baron are at it again. Those two. What am I going to do with those two? Well, I guess let's try to be productive here. Let's see. Let's try to find where this thing maybe would top out at. All right. So if we project out this 4-hour manipulation candle, -1 puts us at 30,524. Can I extend these actually? Let me don't extend. Yes. Extend to the right. There we go. All right. Kind of messy, but that's all right. We'll delete them. We'll delete them later, perhaps. Well, hang on here now. Now the -1 is at like 513, which we just kind of tapped it. All right. Let's see if these projection levels give us a top. Question on brain psychology. My opinion. I see your candles black and green. Have you ever traded with red and green candles? Is it a real thing? They say it's a real thing. I don't know. I can see how red candles and green candles could be emotional. I think most of that is kind of like, I don't put a whole lot of stock into it. I mean, subconsciously there might be something there, I guess, but I think blaming your chart colors on poor trading habits is kind of just a cop-out. So I don't know I don't think it really makes too big of a difference, if I'm being honest. Like imagine going on tilt, blowing your shit up, and then being like, well, fucking A, if my candles weren't red, I wouldn't have done that. I would have risked a reasonable amount on that trade if my candles weren't red. You see how that kind of seems silly? But hey, the chart is your canvas, boys. You color it however you see fit. I know some people that just do like black candles both directions. Like they don't even want to see a difference between an up close candle and a down close candle. Please wear some pants. Never. Absolutely not. Let them hang, boys. Let them hang. Well, you don't like the angle of the dangle? What's up, Fins Up? Fins Up, give us an update, man. What is the... is there any update on the trading for this week for you? It's kind of been a slow week on stream, isn't it? Sent in the Discord about Biddy. Yep, Goslin, I agree. Just quick glance here, but yeah. Yep. Totally agree, unfortunately. I don't know if I agree with 25,000. If it goes to 25,000, I'm killing myself. I'm gonna say though. Yeah, I think mid 40s, maybe 40K. But yes, I do agree. What the? Nika's got, what are these, tomatoes? Dang! Look at Nika's garden and shit. What is this thing? What is this? Looks like an uncircumcised middle-aged man. Hell yeah, dude. Give me some. Give me a tomato. I need the fresh produce, Nika. Dang. Nika's a green thumb. All things green. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. A jalapeno? Oh. Yeah, I've heard some people reference it as a jalapeno. I could, yeah. That checks out. ICT said 25K, but I think 45K. Yeah, we'll see, I guess. I mean, ICT also said that we weren't going to hit 100K. But yeah, it's for sure going to get, like, everybody that was calling for a price on Bitcoin to go higher when we got a little bounce here, I'm like, nah, dude. It's definitely going to, if anything from the holding through the last cycle has taught me, it always gets much uglier than you think. It always gets much, much, much uglier than you think it's going to get. So all these people that are like, oh yeah, this is it, woohoo, like, no. Yeah, it gets nasty. And it's literally cyclical. Every single cycle, this is what happens. So here we are, round trip in crypto bags. You guys know the deal. Red for the week, but we're hanging in there. Today we're going back up, brother. All right, sweet, man. You're still alive is what I'm hearing. That's what I wanted to hear, Fins Up. I think my dog came in here. Where'd he go? No. Never mind. My Discord weird? That is the thing, Fearless Trader. You gotta be a real one. I don't know what this is. I'm afraid to click on it right now. I'm afraid to click on it right now. 10 a.m. by the way, chat. 10 a.m. Look at our hourly and 4-hour closure. Jeez Louise. Ay, 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 ay. Well, hard to want to be bearish after that, right? I'd say. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna mark out like a regular trading hours premium discount here. Once this finally starts retracing, I'm just gonna mark out from regular trading hours low to the high, and we're gonna see if we can get like a 50% discount offer inside of what will be an unfilled gap, and then see if we can find continuation. That's really it. That's really it at this point, I think. You go short, they can't buy forever. The thing is, maybe they can. I think maybe they can buy forever. Long the first pullback, I like it. Raid Tanya stream? No. Cap the Great. Why would you say something like that? Come on, man. What side are you on? Put OTE on 1 hour and see where it will retrace. Put OTE on 1 hour? I mean, as of right now, OT is like back down towards the previous all-time high, but yeah. We're not getting any retracements right now, so let's just enjoy the show, I guess. Oil Tyler up. I stay oiled. I hate giving up mental capital. More important than a winning trade. Very true. ICT kill zone. Do we get a monthly wick? Great question. Yeah, I mean, do we get a monthly wick? Who fucking knows? Let's check the monthly chart. We did not get a monthly wick on last month, for those that are wondering. This was April. Look at these freaking candles, bro. It's actually crazy. Out of curiosity, though, how many people are in here shorting right now and wanting to see like London Asia lows? Let me know. Yes, where's our 9:30 open right here? You ain't gonna dodge every punch, but just know you ain't the only one. Ooh, a little 3-minute engulfing. Huh? Now and then that bottle's my crib tonight. Hey, Tyler, I had a question for you, bud. Okay, bud. I have been trading for 5 years now. Just recently, I was contacted by Dodgy Trades to join mentorship. Should I? You were contacted by Dodgy to join his mentorship? Did I read that correctly? Selling at all-time highs like the dumbest thing? Well, yes and no. More context needed. Someone from his team. Oh, he hired did he hire a high ticket closing sales team? That is the Playboys. I mean, JadeCap has he has a team of closers as well. I think TGI. I think everybody that sells a private mentorship like that has a team of a sales team. But what are you asking genuinely if you should join his mentorship, or were you just kind of like being sarcastic? Genuinely? Nah. I would not, but don't let me stop you. Yeah, TradingView, I have the whatever the highest one is. I get it during the Black Friday sale. Well, the thing is, the Gym, there's so much free information, right? There's so much free information. Like, obviously, people can charge for whatever they want to charge for, and you know, it's up to the consumer on the other end if they find value in it or not, right? So that's, you know, no one's forcing people to buy mentorships, but I would say no mentorship or course is needed when there's so much free stuff online. Like, you can learn everything that you're going to be learning in those mentorships for free. And your biggest teacher is just going to be your own chart time and experience. Without a doubt. So it's really not needed. That's not to say that you can't find some value in it, because of course you probably could, but it's just not needed. The only thing, this is the only thing that would make like paying for something more meaningful to some, would just be, I do think there is some truth to people take things more seriously when they have skin in the game. Like when they pay for something, they definitely are a little bit more focused than when they're just kind of, you know, oh, it's free. So people just kind of treat it, you know, they take it for granted, I guess. So that's a component, but I mean, if you treat all the free stuff out there as just as important as if you paid for it, you know, it can help you just as much. So all right, guys, moment of truth here. We are trading down into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We did rebalance here to 50% of the regular trading hours range. Moment of truth. Either we're going to just fucking rip all the way back down, or we're going to get a discount bounce here to continue to a new high. Let's see if we can get some structure to form. I'm open to, if we form some structure and then give like a clean, like changing the state back higher, I like hopping on a long continuation here. Might be patient. I think we get another. See if we get another drive down here. I wouldn't mind seeing another drive down here, to be honest. This 15-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. Like, I'd like for the new 15-minute candle to open up and actually give one more leg down. In a perfect world. You told us to go short altogether. How's that working out? Well, Jacob, you didn't tell us you were a hyper scalper. You're just scalping this little move from here to the 50% of the range, or what? To me, that's not bearish. Why would I short if I'm not bearish? Upper band VWAP. Yeah, I don't trade the VWAP, so I guess that makes sense. But congrats, Jacob. I don't mean to sound salty. I don't mean to sound salty. I just get annoyed when I hear "told you." Whenever I see the phrase "told you guys," I told you to short. You know what I'm saying? My asshole just starts hurting. It's just a pet peeve. It's just a pet peeve. I told you. Gosh. All right, 15-minute candle close here in 1 minute. Let's see if we can get that new 15. I would love to see another drive down into this. No, Jacob seems like he's a good faith. It doesn't seem like he was trying to troll there. But yeah, I guess we'll see, man. If this does just melt all the way back down, man. Shit. Butter my biscuits, right? Dow Jones still pushing up. YM 15-minute OB. Let me see. Oh, kind of messy on the 15 though. Kind of messy on that 15-minute chart, ain't it? There we go. All right. New 15-minute opened up. We instantly get this drive down below the previous 15-minute low. Digging now, hitting that 618 level of the regular trading hours range. See what happens, man. I mean, for me, if this does just slice through here, it might not be a trade here for me. What's up, Sam? Now and then they bottle my friend. Where's 50% of this range? 50% of this range is basically back down, like what, 377? What's up, Hudson? Morning, man. Gonna try another round of golf. You are, Crypto? Good luck, man. If I'm lucky, I'll get out golfing as well. How to compare YM with NQ? You can look to it if everything's correlated and moving in sync with one another, like ESNQ and Dow Jones. I like using Dow Jones potentially for an SMT confirmation once in a while. Oh my God, boys. Oh my God. But for the most part, I think some people don't even like looking at YM at all, just because it is oftentimes doing its own thing. So pay attention to it maybe a little bit and just only put a lot of significance on it when you've noticed that prices are actually correlated. You know what I'm saying? If you notice that prices are doing the exact opposite, maybe just kind of ignore it because you're just going to have an SMT at all times at that point. But yeah. But other than that, though, most correlated ES and NQ. Focus mainly on those. There was a healthy stint there for a little bit where Dow Jones was pretty correlated with NQ and ES, so we were using it for SMT. Now it's kind of hit or miss again. Oh, you were asking if I was. You're surfing this weekend, staying away from people? Fair enough. Yeah, we'll see, man. If I'm lucky, I'll get out there. If I'm lucky. No plans as of this very moment, though. Heck, if I'm lucky, I'll get out today. Kind of thought it was maybe going to get that 9:30 open. Maybe she still does. I'm gonna delete this fib for now just to keep our chart clean. $360. Looking for buys at 360. I mean, I'm looking for buys. I just wanted to see a discount. I just wanted to see a discount range delivered to, and then I just want to see us put in some structure that I can trade off of on the lower time frames. But yeah, I would say I'm open to be long anywhere from inside this 15 and 30 minute that we're about to open up here in 10 minutes if we leave that. But yeah, I was kind of anticipating IRL to ERL. Just because I don't want to fade the all-time high bullishness we got going on. Oops. Here's a yes. Thank you. We did inverse the 5 minute right here on NQ. So I'm going to be patient on this. We may not be done going lower yet. But it is, I'm not going to lie to you, boys and girls. It's just kind of acting and printing in a way that's like, is this, we might just V-shape this whole thing. I mean, if we displace from here, I think we're going to actually see London and maybe Asia. Like it's kind of like do or die. Something's fishy. All right, maybe we're gonna distort time here, boys. We're gonna manipulate some time. 10:23. Kind of waiting for something here to take place. But as of right now, longs are still valid. Longs are still valid. I do think, though, that if this does, like, give a fast displacement out of this range lower, I mean, to me, it kind of looks like London low would be the play, right? You just longed? I don't know. These back-to-back hourly candles are something, though, huh? Get an SMT yet? There we go. Finally, we got a little bullish SMT on these 1 minute lows with ES. Now or never, man. I think we got a hold. I think we got a hold here. Ooh. All right, boys. I think I'm officially shifting my attention to London and Asia. Yeah, what does this look like? 50 points. Looks good. We'll go. I dropped a sell limit, guys, by the way. At the 1 minute fair value gap. And yeah, London and Asia is what I'm gonna try to catch here. To me, I think we should have bounced if we were gonna get a bullish continuation. FOMO? How's it FOMO? I mean, I couldn't have, what the fuck? I couldn't have been more patient. What? I'm just hanging out, man. All right, I'm going to rock with it. I'm going to rock with it, but this 30-minute has got me questioning myself. What's up, buddy? Oh, this 2 minute looks nasty. Oh, guys, I'm already a little regretting me putting this limit on. Part of me feels like I might be shorting the bottom of this move. Is that PTSD though? Is that PTSD from all-time highs? It might be. We'll see. Let's see how this 30 minute wants to close in a minute. This is why I'm a little worried though. We traded down, took out this 30 minute low, hitting this 30 minute gap. Just be one fucking hell of an hourly candle, I guess, if that's manipulation. Yeah, I think if we inverse this gap, I think I'm just gonna cut it off. And maybe look to flip long. All right. I'm killing it, dude. I don't like it. Flatten my shit, bitch. I think that is literally cut my penis off. That's what we're cutting off. Dude, it really is just like, I don't care how much it manipulates, just fucking long it, dude. Like, actually at this point, is that not so true? I don't care how much it manipulates, just fucking long it, bro. Fuck. Just long it, man. Holy shite. What do we got here? Look at this V shape, though. Fuck me. Oops. I'm going to long right now with 3. And then I may add. I'm doing 3 right now just because I'm kind of chasing this entry. And my stop is here. It's like a 74-point stop. It's like a 1.5 R to the all-time or back to the high. Perhaps can refine this and look to add, though. But yes, boys. Just flipped back long here. Let's see. Holding short. Good luck, man. Yeah, I didn't like that fucking bounce here. I didn't like that bounce. As soon as it started coming back up and we weren't quite at the 30-minute close, I instantly was like, I should maybe take this limit off. What's up, dude? Well, we'll see. We'll see. Here's our 5-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute. 2-minute has a real nice BPR here left behind just now. We'll watch on the 2. Just like that. So kind of what I'm thinking here is this could manipulate down, and then if we get continuation back up, I maybe look to add and then trail to that new low of my stop. Speaking of stops, almost forgot to place one. And if this just sells from here, boys, we're doing a giveaway and we're getting the fuck out of here. Because that's no good for me. Watch on the 1 minute here. Nice. I like that reaction. Keep her going. Yeah, I'm thinking What time is it? 10:33. If we can confirm an order block out of here, I may add and then go stop to this new low. Two minutes about to close. All right, respecting the gap for now. Geez, Dow Jones is just ripping. Yeah, what was the final retracement on that? I guess, oh wow. I guess if we get this full like range, what was the final fib retracement on that? Didn't quite get the 618. All right, boys. Yeah. All right, so OB here. We can retrace back down, basically to my entry. I try trailing my stop here, and then maybe try to add one or two more. It's my 49 points, yeah. I'm being a little stingy with it. There we go. All right. Added one more. Oh, geez. Brother in Christ. You fucking better bounce. Just hit the 5-minute rejection block. I'm scared. I'm scared. Hey, I don't like it. All right. Probably going to get stopped here, boys. There it is. All right. Well, giveaway time, boys. Hit the like button. Holy shit. Fridays, am I right? There we go. Oh. Ah! Yeah, boys. I don't know. See what the next macro brings, I guess, but yowzas. Yowzers. I thought we were going to be good there. If this 5-minute rejection block holds like this wick, that's going to be tragic. Yeah, we're SMTing again right here. There is just so much stacked lows right there. Unreal. Well, I'm out, boys. I'm out. Maybe find one more trade at 11 a.m. possibly, but looks like I should have stuck with the original short, huh? I just would have had to sit through 99% drawdown. 99% drawdown. And we would have been aight. Bro. Well, all right, man. Hit the like button, guys. We'll do a giveaway today. While we wait here, we got 10 minutes to kill, so. What are the likes at, boys? What are the likes at? 117? 150 likes, boys. 150 likes minimum. Let me grab the let me grab a giveaway here. We'll do a Lucid. We'll do a Lucid giveaway here. 50K flex. As soon as we hit 150 likes, boys, we'll rip it. I'm ready. I'm ready when you guys are. I'm ready when you guys are. 150 likes, we'll rip it. How many people are we got 536 right now? Okay. What's the range we want? Oops. Ready when you guys are, boys. While we wait here. Almost there. Yeah, if you guys are in shorts, I'd say probably just hold that shit. If this was going to give a bullish bounce, like if it wasn't going to give it here, it's probably not giving it. But I'm not going to go short, long, short, all within the fucking same 1 minute range. I ain't going to do that shit. Ain't going to do that shite. That is naughty. All right, boys. All right. Here we go. The range is between 1,500 and 2,500. Random number. Let's see who guesses it first. Between 15 and 2,500. Type a random number between that range. You can spam the numbers as much as you want. See how many guesses it takes. I think last time we got to like 900, I want to say. But we got a little bit more people live right now, so that we'll see if we get it quicker. Meanwhile, the tank is incoming, chat. Oh, NQ, why must you make things so difficult? All right, 300 guesses. We're at 300, chat. We're at 300. Let's see here. I'm trying to read these. I can't fucking read them. They're going too fast. 2466 is too high. 1873 too high. 1810 too low. Oh my god, it's literally I was going to say it's literally between 18, yeah. 1816 is the winner, boys. 1816. Pascal. Pascal, what's up, man? You guys can stop spamming in the chat. Stop spamming in the chat. We got a winner. Pascal at 1816. Congrats, Pascal. Pascal, open up a ticket in the Discord, and I will get you your code here after stream here. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Pascal, 1816 was the winner, chat. There we go. Man. Son of a gun, huh? Look at this hourly. Goodness. Hourly, 4 hour. Right back down. God forbid a fella tries to get on the all-time high train. $45, new 15 just opened up. That's a bummer, huh? Funding pips is a scam and didn't give you your payouts? Uh-oh. TGIF returns. Yeah, where are we at on the weekly? Where are we at on the weekly? Are we at 20, 30%? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. There's 30% right there, actually. Yes, sir. Dang. Yeah, literally V-shaped the entire shit back down, boys. Yeah, Paris. Paris, we're going to get you. We're going to get you, Paris. He knows better. He's trolling. Yeah, we'll see here. We got ES taking out the London low currently. I'm just going to watch this 11 a.m. macro and see what we get. See if I see something that makes sense. But yeah, dude, this V-shape right here literally got me. From a short into a long. Even after this confirmation, I'm like, damn, we opened up, no upper wick. Keep in mind, there was a little 5-minute up here as well. This BPR. I'm like, we got to at least see this, right? Nope. But yeah, this little V bottom off of sweeping the opening range low got me, chat. Because we were, let's go to regular trading hours. That bounce from here was also right inside this gap, this opening range gap. Shucks, man. Got me. It got me out of my short and into a long, and then we shorted. Go figure. Go figure. If it goes to previous day lows, you got to show us your feet. Well, hey, hey now. Previous day low. Previous day low? Oh, yeah, I'll show you my feet for that. Previous day low is like way the fuck down here. That'd be crazy, bro. I mean, that would be insane. That would literally wipe away the whole week on a day with no news, which would be pretty nuts. You got yourself a deal, Paris. I'll show you my feet. I'll show you my feet if we go to previous day low. So yeah, let's see here. We got macro incoming. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and see what this wants to do. But odds are, yeah, like if you guys are looking for a bounce, at least for me, like I personally would not be looking for this all-time high, just because I think there's a good chance we've put in the high now of the week. So yeah, just be patient. And to be honest, I would almost lean. I still would lean for shorts, whereas we're so close to these London Asia lows at this point now. If we get a retracement back up, we're going to be trading into bearish PD raise. We'll see how this hourly wants to close, though. We got 10 minutes. Macro just starting. Like, if this hourly candle, I guess, wicks all the way back up, and we see this thing, like, heavily displace higher, sure. Like, then I think there's your case for the long. But, like, if this hourly candle ends up closing like this with an engulfing bearish, it just might not be worth trying to long into that. But at this rate, who fucking knows, man? Who fucking knows? NQ, you dirty bitch. Yeah, see, 5 minute. Oops. Wrong chart. There's a little 5 minute gap taparoo, boys. A little 5 minute gap taparoo. Oh! What the fuck? Ah! Jesus. Guys, what is fuck. Yeah, you know what? I'm ready for May to be over. Can we just put this month behind us? All right, here's the upper 5 minute and the bearish order block. Jeez. NASDAQ, tell us how you really feel, you fuck. I don't know, boys. Moment of truth as this hour fucking closes out, I guess. I'm done speculating. Let's just react. This is knocking futs. You told me it was a bounce zone, possibly? Thanks. Yeah, you're not wrong. That SMT at the London low of the ES really held, didn't it? Shit. I mean, holy fuck. Like, guys, if this... I don't know if you guys feel this way, but, like, if this hourly candle is quite literally just a fucking fuck you candle to then go right back up here, I mean, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck are we doing? Who the fuck is controlling this? Whoever it is absolutely so fucking drunk. We got another Iran headline, apparently. Says DeLucas, Iran must agree they'll never have nuclear weapon. Bomb. What? Hormuz Strait must be immediately open. No tolls. Trump meeting now to make a final determination on the Iran deal. Fuck me. So fucking sick of this shit. All right, guys, we'll see here, though. We'll see. 5-minute holding. It's just like, I mean, now we got this fat gap here. All right, it's holding for now. But, like, dude, if we get this inversion in the 11 a.m. macro, does a fella just rip it? And if this holds this gap without inversing, then this is probably a bullish OB confirmation. So we'll see. 64 points though for a stop if it gives an inversion lower. It's just so crazy. Like literally can fucking frame both sides. I feel like so often with this, but we just fucking keep going. We just keep going. You know what I'm saying? We just keep going.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I don't know, boys. I just I gotta take the manly approach here, the honest approach, and just admit when I'm like, this market is fucked. And it's fucking not easy, bro. This market is not easy. I'll admit it. I'll admit it. Take away my man card. See if I give a shit. This is some shit. Dow Jones is just soaring. This is crazy. We're soaring, flying. Blew your funded today. Fuck, dude. Don't blow your... Guys, don't blow your shit up today. Don't blow your shit up. Don't blow it up. 2 losses max. All right, if you've taken 2 losses today, be done. If you've taken 2 stop outs, just be done. Just be done. All right? If you've taken 2 full stop outs, you fucking waddle that ass. You lock yourself out, and you don't blow up today. All right? You understand me? You don't blow up today. Maybe next week, but not today. It's Friday, after all. You don't blow up today. You understand? Listen to me. How to be stopped without a stop? Well, good point. Touche. Fucking Trump, bro. Hey, now, Lone Wolf, the shorts could still play out here. I don't know. Like, that's literally, that's... I can make a case for both sides right this very moment, and I fucking don't know what's going on here. Crazy. I don't know what's happening, and I don't know what I might do. You're not wrong, Purse. This is potentially where it happens. Hourly is about to close, guys. How does this hourly candle close? I mean, it's closing pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Obviously, decent wick rejection off that news and the Asia low, or the London low SMT. We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach. All right, chat, let's hear it. What is everybody thinking? All right. Here's your options. All-time highs. Once again, I did say that I didn't think we were going to get there. We thought we put in the all-time high for the week. But that was before this headline dropped. So now I don't know. But what do you guys think? All-time high or Asia low in the chat? What gets hit first? Let me know, chat. What's the chat feeling? What's the vibe? Short possibly made good here. Hasn't shorted. Still got something in the tank. Lone Wolf? Yes. I would say I got one more shot in the chamber. One more shot in the chamber. Win or lose. And I just don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know what this wants to do. I really do not know. I haven't been this confused since I haven't been this confused since the first time I watched an ICT video. Well, I don't know. It's kind of a mixed bag here. I think I see more all-time highs, though, in the chat. Maybe, I don't know. It's pretty mixed, actually. I'm going to say it's pretty mixed. Literally back and forth. Nobody knows. Some people like Asia low. Some people like all-time highs. Ugh. Plot twist. Neither one of them get hit today. Plot twist. It just chops in here for the rest of the day. Oh. No, Lone Wolf. We're soaring, flying. Can I imagine? Actually, that's the sad part is I could actually imagine a world where that happens. Yeah, no, I got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. I'm looking at it. It's make or break right now. I don't think it necessarily means we have to go higher. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say that. I'm not going to sit here and say we absolutely have to go all the way back up here now. But I'm not saying we couldn't either. Here is my... I don't know. I guess here's my if this, then that scenario for both. My if this, then that scenario for the short. I would be comfortable if we do trade down, give an inversion here. I'm probably going to give this a go as my final shot to Asia. Now, if, let's say we get the inversion here on the 5, right? I'm probably shifting my attention back towards the high. And I'll try to find something there. But yeah, boys, what a tricky little bugger today. Right? So like what does this hourly candle PO3 end up looking like? Is really the question we're asking ourselves. Once I heard ICT say if the fair value gap is good, after breaker, it should not consolidate. It should deliver to the direction of the fair value gap if it is bullish or bearish. What? Yeah, we're just ranging right now. You're looking to start stream next Friday? Why next Friday? Tips on streaming? Tips on streaming. Just be yourself, man. Be yourself. Try to add value where there's value to be added, but don't take no shit. You're signing up for some public criticism, regardless of what happens with your trade. You hit a winning trade, people don't care. You could have held for more. Why didn't you add to your position? If you take a losing trade, you're just going to be the worst trader that's ever been in existence because you're a ding-dong and you got to study more. Skill issue. So just be prepared for the mental side of that and just be yourself, man. Just be yourself in whatever you do. Don't speak out against Israel. Then you should have all your bases covered. Let's long, bro. I might be open to that, man. Relax. I gave you my if this then that scenarios here. I'm just gonna stick with them, and then I'm just gonna, look to execute accordingly, I guess, and let whatever happens happen. That's all I can do. All I can do. But, man, what are 166 likes, huh? I was debating if we should do a second giveaway or not. 5-minute candle closes in a minute. And you missed some beef today? No, I don't think you. No, you didn't miss any beef today. On what lower time frame entry models do you use? IFEG only or break? I use pretty. I mean, I don't have like a one specific model. I would say I have preferred models, I guess. Like CISD out of a higher time frame fair value gap. You know, pull back into a fair value gap. Order block continuation out of that fair value gap for continuations. Breakers. I mean, I don't really inversions. I mean, I don't really discriminate. It's just I'm trying to get the direction right mainly. And the timing. Direction and timing is kind of what I'm trying to get here. How I enter, I'm not as concerned with. Because if I got the draw right and the timing right, then it doesn't really matter. Jax. In longs, El Grande, good luck, dude. Good luck, man. I'm still waiting here. We did get the 5-minute, you know, not the most aggressive inversion, but we got it. So what I'm kind of waiting for was hoping for would just be like, you know, we trade down. My preferred continuation trade is like we trade down into a gap, give me an order block out of that, give me my defined trade, and then I try to catch the continuation that way. But it's really what I'm waiting on right now. It's either that or you just slap a market execution off this 5-minute inverse, and then I don't know, you put your stop, I guess, below either this candle for a hard stop or just get out if it closes back below it. It's really your options. But we'll see. I'm going to see if I can catch the long here now that we've gotten some movement here up. I want to see a little move back down and then give us an order block to use. You guys want to see my dog? He's fucking depressed right now. This is what he does when I'm sitting here trading past 11. Just staring a hole through my soul. Buddy, you don't know how good you got it. If you had to if you had to deal with this NASDAQ, I'd tell you what, man. You know what I mean? He don't get it. He don't get it. He just don't get it, does he? Um, 15-minute close in 2 minutes. We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach. Literally, holy shit. Let my dog push the button? Listen, I'm down. Jax, come up here and push the button for me. What's funny is I remember I remember when I first started trading in like this community that I was trading as a part of. I remember people would blow their accounts, and I've heard people give all sorts of excuses for like why they blew their accounts. Bro, I went to the bathroom, bro, and my cat walked across my desk and blew my account. I actually have heard that one a couple of times. My cat blew my account, bro. It wasn't me. Oh. He's walking out, head down in defeat. He's like, all right, dude. Guess you're no fun. If I did slap this entry here. Say stop down here. Still a 2.2 risk to reward. Yeah. All right, guys. Final attempt here. I'm gonna drop my limit on this 2-minute gap. Also a 3-minute gap now. And let's see. Let us see. Tyler, there is a high chance of the market taking the internal liquidity right now and then selling off. You're saying take these little wick highs right here and then selling off? I guess I'll be fucked then, won't I? Look at ES though. I'm gonna look at ES on this 15. Here's ES right here, 15-minute chart. Just gave a 15-minute inverse to the upside. Dow Jones just fucking rocketing right now. I guess 50% all the way back down there, but yes, boys. Last trade attempt here. Win, lose, or draw. For all the glory or for none of the glory? All the glory or none of the glory? What's up, Jasper? Peace out, PEJW, man. Have a good weekend, bro. Bro. My dog is going crazy. Trading be sucking all your energy up, dude. It is like that sometimes, bro. Gosh. It is. It do be like that, you know? All right. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, guys. I'm in. I'm in at 407. Looking for continuation long now. All right. I'm either going to get Friday fucked or Friday redemption, I guess. I don't know. Stop is 350. Here's a 3-minute, by the way. 3-minute looks pretty clean. You are fucked. Maybe I am. By what? What are you going to do about it? Sue me. If he dies, he dies. Fucked. I guess it's better than all uppercase fucked. What time is it, though? 11, 19, 11, 20? All right. Relative equal London lows. Be careful. All right, I'll be really careful. I'm being as careful as I can. For the third time, this is only my second long. How could it be the third time if it's only my second long? I just gotta make sure we're counting accurately here. But yeah, boys. Uh-oh. Friday fucked. Friday fucked. Unless we just get a miracle bounce from this 3 minute. Oh. Never trading Fridays again. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Support Tyler in his trade. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You don't gotta support me in this trade if you don't like it. But fuck, man. Tough day for your boy. Can't see this. We cannot see this 3 minute candle flip bearish. I'm fucked if it does, I think. I think we're absolutely cooked if we don't get the bounce. We need the bounce. We need it. We need the bounce. Just for reference, this is our 15-minute chart right now. And our 30-minute chart. And our hourly chart. The Wild West out here. All right, moment of truth. We just hit this little inversion retest. We need to reclaim. Reclamation. Reclamation of the gap, please. Reclaim that shit. Yes, we did get SMT at the ES London low. Yes, we did. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it holds, I guess. We need to reclaim. Do not reject here. Do not reject. Absolutely disrespect. All right. Breaking out the big guns, boys. See, dude, the other day it actually didn't let me do this. There we go. Finally, it's fixed. It didn't let me do this the other day. It kept saying error or something. All right, we got the monkey out. We got the monkey out. Let's give monkey the banana. Get that going. Fuck yeah. All right. Let's see. We're like, what's our record with the monkey now? Oh, no. 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 Our record's pretty good with the monkey, though. We'll see if we put him in a tough spot here. Fully 5-minute wick. Oh, no, monkey. Sorry. Monkey, I'm sorry, monkey. I think, monkey, oh gosh, that's not what we wanted. This isn't how it was supposed to go. This isn't how it was supposed to end. Not like this. Not like this, monkey. Stair stepping up, elevator down. No. Oh. Not like this. Is it only monthly fee for the eval? Yes. Well, there's not even a monthly fee because it's not recurring. It's just 30 days and then it expires. Once you pass the account, no monthly fee. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. The monkey, well, no, we want to give the monkey the banana, which would be the price. So price is the banana, right? So we want to give the banana to the monkey at take profit. That is the logic there. The market giveth, and the market taketh away. We're hoping for a merciful Friday market. Which is not really, it's kind of an oxymoron. If there's ever a day of the week where the market isn't merciful, it's usually Friday. It's like just max pain, whatever max pain is, that's what it wants to do. There's always two feelings on a Friday for a trader. It's either you took a couple losses and you're like, son of a bitch, I should have took Friday off. Or you hit a banger and you're just like, oh, you're just euphoric. You're euphoric going into the weekend. Losing streak? No, not at all, actually. I've been green every single day this week. Green or break even every single day this week until today. So, Jan Van, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Happy Friday, boys and girls. Oh, are you heading out, Crypto Surfer, or no? Tyler, use your Discord Jew emoji. Yeah, that's my favorite one. That's my favorite one. Where? Where'd you use it? Oh, did you use it somewhere else? That's funny. Oh, come on, baby. Monkey, 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 monkey. Patience, boys. I hope my dog doesn't... my dog's going to hate me because we might be sitting here a hot minute. Jan Van, that question I guess I understand where you're coming from when you ask it. I'm just assuming you're asking it in good faith, but I think the logic behind that question, just like you could ask that question. Do you cherry pick a question like that regardless? Like you could do that any day of the week, right? Oh, that New York AM session was clean, so now I'm going to trade that. Oh, but then now this PM session over here was clean, so now I'm going to trade that instead. Oh, but hey, actually look, hey, this trader over here caught a clean Asia session trade, so why doesn't he just trade Asia all the time? You see what I'm saying? Like, that's a dangerous, slippery slope. I'm more so looking for just consistency, and New York AM session is just my session, bro. I trade New York AM session or just New York session in general, AM or PM. I mean, it fucking is what it is, man. But to say that's not true at all. Like, sometimes PM sessions are way worse than the AM session. So that's like, I try not to live in that cherry picking world. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I get it though. I get what you're trying to say. Oh, no, crypto server. I better not, because then I get in trouble. People get sensitive on the streams. They get a little... Oh my god, what is this 5-minute chart doing? What's this 5-minute chart doing? Should I reduce my risk to like that 5-minute swing low? I think I'm going to reduce my risk to that 5-minute swing low, which is the hourly opening price also. I'm on only if the trade hits TP. Otherwise, I got no love to share. Conditional love. You know how it is. Yes, Florin. Yep. That is correct. I mean, depending on the firm, but yeah. Account gone. Guys, I gave you one rule today. I said you can lose trades, just don't blow your shit up. If you take a couple losses, you're out. You're done. I just said just don't blow up. That's the only rule of today, is just don't blow up. Dang it, nuts. The most degenerate thing you've done while trading. What was young Tyler struggling with years ago? I've told this story before, but probably my lowest like degen moment was I mean, after like many blown accounts, you know, you finally have a stretch of trading where you're trading really good discipline, good trades, everything like that. And then one day I had an account that I had grown. And keep in mind, like when I first started trading, I was funding live accounts with like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Like, you know, I was just doing like, you know, $1,000 to $5,000 deposits in live accounts, basically, because props weren't really what they are now. So I remember I had one account that I fucking grew from. I don't remember what I deposited, but I had the account to like over 10 grand in profit. Which I was like, fuck yeah, dude. Like, I made it. You know what I mean? I figured it out. And then I fucking had one day, decided like a bonehead, I'm gonna trade the Sunday Open. So the Sunday Open comes. I start trading the fucking Asia session. I was supporting resistance trader more so back then. And I'm just like taking trades, and I fucking end up blowing the entire account. I just go on tilt. You know, I lost like 5%. All right, one more trade. All of a sudden, I'm down 10%. All right, one more trade. But like, as you guys know, once you enter that tilt phase, you just start risking more, and you risk more, and you risk more. Before you know it, you're down 20%, 80%. You have 20% of your account left. You just like, fuck it. I'll risk what's left. Anyway, so yeah, my most degen moment, that was like in 2020, I think. 2020. And yeah, so I blew that entire account up, deleted all my progress, and obviously my deposit as well. And then I funded up 5K that same night and blew that as well. So that was probably like my most out of control moment. The amount of money isn't really what's important. It's more so like I blew up my entire account that I was doing so well on, and then I deposited the same night and then blew that. It'd be like the equivalent of you blow your fundeds, so then you buy some more evals, and then you like blow them and reset them a couple of times on repeat, all within the same session, which I'm sure many people have done. Like just fully out of control. Fully out of control. And then at that point, you lay there in your bed that night and you're just like, what the fuck did I just do? This is getting wild. You get too stressful, you end up blowing it. I mean, that's a common problem, I would say. But my advice, man. I mean, nothing I can say is gonna like magically fix that. It's kind of just something you're gonna have to build a numbness to, I guess. But it's really just if you can try your best to kind of take the profit, the P&L out of it, which is not, you know, you got to work on it. But if you take the P&L out and you're focused just on the chart, the action, the process of the trades that you're taking, like the P&L will follow. And the problem I think that most traders have, and then I guess when traders struggle, I think it's usually because they're just P&L, like everything is dominated by what their P&L says in their mind. So if they're so focused on what the P&L says, they're not really focused on what's actually happening on the chart and trying to put themselves in the best positions. They're more so just like, how can I get this money back or how can I make money? All right. So I would just say focus on the best trades, focus on good risk management, and don't put a deadline on trying to pass. Like it's going to come when it comes if you're taking good trades. But that's the psychological battle of being a trader. That is how it goes. That is how it goes. One trade from passing your accounts, one trade from securing the payouts. Man. Yes, sir. Real thing. Peace out, White Mamba. Appreciate you, man. Have a good weekend. I'm holding this, boys. We are just slowly not doing anything. We are slow. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I said we're slowly not doing anything, and the market said, hold my fucking beer. Hold my beer, said the market. Yeah, I feel like my tweet yesterday. When you're sitting in CHOP waiting for another Trump tweet so you can touch grass and see sunlight. That's how I feel right now. Maybe if I start drawing buy side liquidity, it'll just magically go for it. What do you guys think? If I start drawing the buy side levels, maybe we'll go for it. Can't hurt. Can't hurt. I'm almost tempted to just move my stop to that recent swing low, but good 2 minute close. I'm trying to talk myself into just like moving my stop up more. Because let's be so for real. If this just nukes down to here, like we're probably just, I don't know, probably just going to dump. No, yeah, maybe so. Tyler, why are you trading in the chop, Tyler? Tyler. It's so choppy, Tyler. It's so choppy, Tyler. Guys, do I just close the trade? What are we doing? Do I just close it? Bruh. Fucking banana. Alright, dude. I'm just going to close it. My trading day is done. My trading day is completed. I'm done. Fuck this. I give up. Monkey ass bitch. Alright. I gave her another try, but we are just, yeah, not really moving. Not really moving and not looking too hot. So I'm going to keep that loss to a minimum, boys. Oh! Good risk management. Fuck them. Stupid market. Why? Why? All right, boys. Hey, real quick, before I let you go, just a quick little look ahead skis to next week. We've got NFP, so we got a week full of some goodies all week next week, boys and girls. So yeah, the plan will be I'll be planning to be live every single day next week. I don't think we got any reason to not trade in the mornings at all that I see here. No, sir. Looks good. Looks good. But otherwise, man, yeah, kind of a week, to be honest. I mean, not really a whole lot happening. I mean, yesterday was kind of the biggest bummer. And then honestly, today was kind of a bummer as well. Just because I got a little tomfoolery fooled around and fuck around and find out right here. I mean, look at these executions here, brother. Literally shorted with my stop here. We immediately inverse after filling that opening range gap. And then flipped my bias. I'm like, all right, all-time highs. Let's fucking flip the longs. And then had a nice initial push, and then market said, get fucked, pal. So yeah, and then tried the long here, but after sitting in however much chop this was, from 11:17 to 11:42, basically 30 minutes of just doing not much. Cut that one, man. Good cut, it looks like, as well, because goodness gracious. This hourly candle, how do we finish it? I don't know, man, but the rule was, boys, don't blow up on a Friday. You can take a couple losses, but don't blow up. So I am not going to try to force my hand on this anymore. Clearly, it's not my day. Clearly not my day. Doing a June single Lucid account challenge. We'll be posting in the group for the eval payout. Nice, dude. Congrats. Or not congrats. Good luck. Good luck. The congrats is in advance, Crypto Surfer. But yes, keep us posted. You can supplement monthly income with a single account. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But all right, man. Hopefully you guys were able to stay safe today. If you're green, awesome. If you are red, just don't be blown up. All right, man. It's Friday. It's Friday, man. There's a new week. There's a new week and a new month in store. Nice, Jonesy. Damn. Nice, Jonesy. Buddy actually faded my fucking long there. Uh-oh. Long. Oh, wait. You finally got one. You finally did get one. Nothing belongs there, huh? All right, man. All right, guys. That's going to be it for me for the week. I don't think I'm going to take anything else today. I had 3 trade attempts today. 2 of which I cut early for like $150 loss. And then 1 full stop out. So, yeah. Not my day. Not my day. We will come back and live to trade another one. All right, man. But hey, guys, enjoy your guys' Friday. Enjoy your guys' weekend. And I'll plan on being back and seeing you guys here Monday morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Congrats to the giveaway winner. And I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Peace and love.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Charts on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trend line snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.